Hey my pretties, welcome back. Let's go inside of this Dollar Tree and see if there's anything different from the last one we just went to. Thank you. All right, looks like they're already stocking, so a lot of empty rows. You got some of the buckets down there. These are cute with the little hearts on the side. These big heart bowls. The tin cans. Oh, look at those up there. How cute. They look like gummy bears. Little glass jars. Cute. These are gonna go so fast, especially this light pink one. I can tell. Okay, some of the dolls. Did I skip right past all the tin cans? I didn't, because I got sidetracked by them jars up there. And there's the cute little gnomes again. I should have went back to the other store where they were unpacking the last video I just posted, because I really wanted to see those little rabbit dolls, the ones that was still in the box. I don't know, maybe I'll swing by there. Here's some bath salts, peach sangria, lemon squeeze, watermelon splash, and fruit smoothie. Oh, those are cool. By Crystal Waters. They're still putting a lot up. Let me see what's on this wall. There's some of the gnomes down there. The signs. Tabletop sign. Love you. There's some of the little tinsel. It looks like a dinosaur and a dog and a unicorn. There's the Valentine's Day tree in pink right there. And then some of the signs up here. I like these two right here. The kissing booth. And these, the little galvanized metal. And the yardstick says kiss me. What does the pink one or purple one say? Love, with the little pink bows on them. Those are cute. You got Be Mine up there and Sweetheart. Oh yeah, okay, nothing on that row. They do have some of the fairy stuff, the fairy garden stuff. Few new little houses. This guy putting up his little home sign. This is cute. Looks like a little train. A little tiny home. The original tiny homes, huh? This tree has a face in it. And there's a few more down there. The terrarium and the plant hangers in the darker brown, the cream, and the white. Calendars right there. They have the smaller planners. And an academic planner. Okay, these candles are different. Lavender Fields, and then what's the white one? Fresh Linen. There's a red one back there too. Apple Cinnamon. Oh, these are nice and chunky. I like that. You have the silver and the gold. Okay, I've never seen the BioPure 3% hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. That's cool. And look at that. You have the Queen V Queen It Up Intimate Wash. And it's pH friendly with lemongrass extract. I remember when these came out. I think I seen them at Walmart. I can't remember. It's been a minute. Okay, this location had the Fly Smart candle sets. Just like the other store I was just at. They don't have as many. They had the European Escape. Oh, look, you can scratch it and smell it. I'm not going to do that, though. They had the High Tea, Pineapple Punch, Island Daiquiri, Mykonos Morning Santorini Sunset Frosted Forest Cabin Fever. I didn't get that one. First Frost Frosted Forest and Miami Moments with Sunshine Orange and Watermelon Wonder. I did buy one of each set that was at the other store. I haven't burned them yet, but they didn't have this one, the Cabin Fever. They're cute little candles. That's a cute cup. Be good, do good, feel good. The little hearts on it. Well, that's it for today in Dollar Tree, you guys. Thank you for coming with me. Yeah, like I said, dang, see, I should have popped over to the other store. Maybe on another day. Hopefully they still got them bunny rabbits, but okay, you guys, so I can't lie, I couldn't go home until I popped in here to see those bunnies, and there they are. They're a lot bigger than what I expected. Oh my goodness, they are cute. But this is, okay, so what I'm seeing is they're $5. So did the Dollar Tree just turn into the, what is it called? Some of you guys have this store already where it's $5 something, the $5 something. But anyways, because I'm seeing these $5 tags, and this was not here prior to this. So what? Finally, they're getting on board. So you have some pictures or some door signs. Blessed Easter. These are cute. I'm surprised. Look at that. Every bunny welcome. Look at them. Okay, so they are $5. All right, it was worth it. It was worth me coming back. The wreaths, are these $5? What? Oh yeah, the Dollar Tree Plus. That's what it's called. It took a long time for them to come here. That garland right there is $3. I didn't even know they was coming. Okay. The carrot is cute. Look at that. Yeah, I like that one. You have the eggs up there for $5. It's just it says a mercury egg. It is not filled with anything or anything like that, but they're pretty big, I guess. Cool. You have the egg garland. Has the feathers in there for $3. This one is $3. I don't know how I feel about this. They just popped up on me and I didn't know this was coming. Let me stop. These are metal. Cute. Okay, those are $5. You have the flocked bunnies right here in yellow, blue, and green. The wood beads. Different than those. Those have the little sprinkles on it. I like those, but they have these. And then these right here. Not bad for $3.
Oh God, an Easter gnome.
Look at that. And then you have these for $3.
Look what they did.
I wonder if they're gonna put more Dollar Tree Plus in other rows, or is it just gonna be right here on this one row, or just one little spot? $5. You get the 2. And then you have all of those little topiary trees down there and the gnomes. Oh, look at him. For $5. He's the only one left. Okay. This is so cool. I always thought it was cool when all the other ladies had that little, you know, Dollar Tree Plus on the East Coast. That's a 4-inch inflatable. And these are tablecloths. Nice. There's some more bunnies up there. And then you have these LED candle. Now, in case any of you are in my area and you're wondering which store I'm at the one up by the 215 on Clinton Keith. So that's this location. So we have a Dollar Tree Plus now, besides it just being in the freezer section. How cool. Okay, I don't feel like I need to go down this row again because we was just here and I really just popped in here to look at the bunnies and ended up finding all the other stuff. What did I say? Okay, in my other video I seen those down there. I guess I called it something wrong. I don't know, because you guys was correcting me. I have to go back and listen. But I said, did I call them trees or something? They're carrots on the stand, and they had the orange and the yellow. And then they have these too, carrot picks. These are cute. You can make you a little arrangement, flower arrangement or something, and add these, and they're nice and soft. They feel like the bottle brush type of thing, but they're a little softer. Alright, you guys already know, since I'm here, I am gonna walk around and see that they put anything else out since yesterday. Those. So let me go peek. Oh, these are cute. The little flock bunny with the bow. Cute, cute. Okay, let me go scan the rest of the store real quick. Laundry detergent sheets, fresh linen. Easy to use, no measuring, no mess. Laundry detergent sheets? What? I don't know why I was thinking this said fabric softener, like a dryer sheet. This is a laundry detergent sheet. Never seen these before. Fresh linen, easy to use, no measuring, no mess. Dissolves completely. Add a sheet to your load. For small loads, use half a sheet, and for larger loads, use a full sheet. Wow. And the scent is fresh linen. That is interesting. I've never seen these. Have you? Did you guys know they made laundry detergent sheets? If you did, what brand do they make these in? Okay. Well, that's it, you guys. I scanned the whole store. Like I said, I wasn't gonna go over everything because we was just here yesterday when I posted the other video. But I'm gonna get out of here. I'm super excited by the Dollar Tree Plus, because this is all we really had, was these 4 doors right here. We had not had the stuff up in the front, like the, you know, the decor like all of you guys got. I see some girls that be going to the Dollar Tree Plus, and I'll be like, dang, when we gonna get it? Well, it's here, and I'm excited. Okay, that's it, y'all. I'll see you real soon in my next video. Bye, you guys.